EAS, Adam.
At 5:58 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was
Tornado warning.
50 miles southeast of Spearman, moving north at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs.
Here we go. I caught a quadruple header last video.
The National Weather Service in Amarillo has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Gray County, southeastern Carson County until 6:30 p.m. Central Standard Time. At 6:06 p.m. Central Standard Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Groom, or 12 miles east of Claude, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard.
Spotted by radar. No, it's not observed. It's radar indicated.
Impact, flying debris
It's just
will be
rotation.
dangerous to those caught without
You gonna put that
shelter.
on YouTube?
Mobile homes will be
Yeah.
damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Groom. This includes Interstate 40 between mile markers 107 and 118. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.